Revit easily allows you to import 3D objects and shapes using Rhino and SAT files. To import Rhino or SAT files, click the Insert tab. Then click the Import panel and Import CAD. In the Import CAD Formats dialog, select either ASUS SAT files or Rhino files. Navigate to the folder that contains the file to import and select the file. Specify the category for the imported geometry. In this example, choose the planting category. The SAT file will represent an outdoor sculpture. The outdoor sculpture will be controlled along with the other landscape elements of the site plan. Click Open. The imported geometry is positioned in the Revit file Origin to Origin. Manipulate the view to find the imported geometry and move it into position. The imported geometry behaves like the category it was imported to. In this elevation view, the planting category has been hidden. When revealed, the imported geometry is visible along with other planting elements. The imported geometry follows all visibility and graphics overrides, as well as cuttable and non-cuttable category properties. If the geometry of the imported shape needs to be changed, make changes in the original application and re-import the 3D shape. When you import a 3D shape into a family, the shape assumes the family category. Imported 3D shapes in a Revit project or family are used as references for dimensioning, snapping, and aligning, as hosts for face-based families, or can be scheduled.